guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again. I'm here with this week's CVS haul and I have an all digital spend 30 get $10 back that is different from my deals video. In case you don't want to do the one I posted earlier on, you can pick the one from this video. The first deal I'll be doing will be on the spend 30 get $10 back on P&G laundry or paper, limit of 1, and I'll be grabbing the Gain liquid on sale for $5.49 and it's the 5.5 ounces. Make sure you're scanning your item, especially if you're doing the app only deal. And the next item I'll add to it will be the Tide antibacterial spray, 22 ounces. We don't have any app coupon for this. The next item I'll be adding to this will be the Downy Unstoppable, 8.6 ounces. On sale for $6.99 and we have a $2 app coupon that will attach to it. And the next one will be the Downy Unstoppable 5.5 ounces and there is a $1 app coupon also for it. To complete this deal, I will add the Tide on sale for $6.99 and we also have a $1 in our app for this. These are the 5 items I'll be using for my spend 30 get $10 back, and all 5 of them came up to $30.45. And for the Tide spray, I have a coupon from coupons.com. It wasn't applying to it. I guess you have to get the one that says rescue in front of the bottle to see if it will attach to it, because that's what shows on the coupon. But without the coupon, it's still a great deal, because after all my digital coupon applies, it will bring it down to $25.45. Then I'll get $10 back, making all 5 items $15.45 or $3.09 each. But I also have a 10 off of 16s purchase CRT I got last week that I'll be adding this deal to. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the repellent. It's on spend 20, you get $5 back, and it's on sale for buy one get one half off. I'll pick up the mosquito repellent priced at $9.99 and also the fly killers priced at $10.49. The mosquito repellent will be the one I'll get half off because it's the cheaper price. And to get to 20, I'll be adding the Raid Fly Ribbon priced at $4.29. All 3 items will come up to $19.78, which is within the 98% rule. If you're doing this deal, make sure your store observes that. I have a $7.50 coupon I got from coupons.com for the STEM product. It's $7.50 off of 2 items. That will bring it down to $12.28 and I'll get a $5 back. Check your Ibotta because I have a $2 back on each item, the STEM items, limit of 3. So I'll be getting $4 back, making all 3 items $3.28 or $1.09 each if I'm doing this by itself. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction to get to 60 will be on the CoverGirl. It's on buy 2, you get $5 back and it's a limit of 1. I'll pick up the blush priced at $6.99. I'll be picking up 2 and I'll be using this $4 coupon I got from coupons.com. If you have today's smart sauce, there is a $4 coupon in it as well. Then I'll be using the $4 app coupon everybody received, and we all received another $4 instant CRT as well. After all the coupons are applied, it will bring it down to $1.98 and I'll get $5 back, making both items free and a $3.02 moneymaker. I checked out and I'm back with my receipt, and these are all the items I showed you guys earlier on that I picked up. And all my coupons worked out very well. Everything I showed you applied, except for the Tide spray. It didn't come off, but that's okay. I ended up using $27.47 extra care box, paid $2.23 out of pocket, and I got back $10 for spending 30, $5 for spending 20, and also $5 for buying 2 CoverGirls. And I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $2 for each of the STEM products, making it a total of $4. After the rebates came back, this whole transaction ended up costing me $5.70 or 57 cents each. The next deal I'll pick up will be on the buy one get one 40% off, and when you buy 2 you get $4 back on OGX hair care. I'll pick up 2 of the items priced at $9.99. One will be full price and one will be 40% off. Both of them will come up to $15.92. And I'll be using this 3 off 2 coupon I got from coupons.com. And we have a matching one in our app that will double dip. I have a 4 off of 14 OGX CRT that will also apply. And with all the 2 coupons and the CRT, it will bring it down to $5.92. Then I'll get $4 back, making both items just $1.92 or 96 cents each. I'll be adding the little credits to this transaction. It's not giving back any extra care box, but it's on sale for buy one get one half off. I'll pick up 2. One is priced at $9.59 and the second one will be $4.80. Everybody received the 10 off of 2 coupon in our app today. That will bring it down to just $4.39 or $2.20. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and these are the 4 items I picked up, and all my coupons, both of them double dipped and took off 6. And you can see the 4 off of 14 any OGX hair care CRT, and the 10 off 2 came off as well. I ended up using $10 extra care box, paid 36 cents out of pocket, and I got back my $4. This is where my haul this week ends, and thank you all for watching. Make sure you check out the Google Doc and I'll see you all next week. Bye.